In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to safely download your export without confusion. We'll do this from the desktop version of Slack, either in the app or a web browser. Keep in mind that data exports are typically limited to workspace owners or admins with the right permissions. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to check your role or ask an admin to run the export for you. Start by opening Slack and looking at the left sidebar. Click at Admin. This opens the administrative controls for your workspace. From the menu that appears, select Workspace Settings. On the Settings page, find and click Security. This is where Slack groups important tools related to data protection and compliance. In the Security section, click Import and Export Data. You'll land on a page dedicated to moving data in and out of Slack. Now, switch to the Export tab. This is the area specifically designed for preparing and downloading workspace data. Below Export Date Range, open the drop-down menu and choose the time frame you need. Pick the smallest range that meets your goal to keep the file size manageable and speed up processing time. The export content can vary by plan and permissions, but it generally includes message history from the selected range for channels your workspace is allowed to export. When your date range is set, click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing the file on the back end. This can take a few minutes or longer, depending on how much data is included. You don't need to wait on this page. Slack will send you an email when the export is ready. When the email arrives, open it and click. Visit your workspace's export page. That link takes you right back to the export section for your workspace. On that page, look for the export you just requested and click Ready for Download to get the zip file. Save it somewhere secure and organized, especially if the data is sensitive. Inside the zip, you'll typically find structured files, often in JSON format, organized by channel and date. These are best viewed with a text editor or imported into a tool that can read structured data. If the export is large, consider verifying the contents and storage location immediately, and keep a record of when and why the export was generated for your internal compliance needs. That's it. You've exported your Slack data and downloaded the zip file safely and efficiently.